IELTS writing task 1, line graph. I have selected line graph today. Before moving further, I would like to introduce task 1 to you all. You GT students have to write certain graphs whenever they have been asked to you from the examiner. The graphs can be any. It can be a bar graph, it can be a line graph, it can be a pie chart, table, process, diagram, any. The time allotted to you is 20 minutes. So I would like to explain line graph today. Before moving to the line graph, I would like to remind you people who are not aware that how task 1 is written. So the first step is write the introduction, after that leave one line, then write body paragraph 1, then leave one line, then write body paragraph 2, then leave one line, and after that write the conclusion. So the other thing which needs to be kept in mind very clearly, I repeat very clearly, is that leave the boring parts to be explained in the task 1. Yes, leave the boring parts to be explained. What I mean to say is that write the striking features. Here I have not read this one, but still I am telling you that what you need to do. This thing, can you look over here? This is something different from this, means this is a striking feature. So I would mention this one in the task and I would leave this one. Fine, I would leave this one, I would write this one. So it means that I need to write something different thing in the graph and not to make it more lengthy, because we have been allotted only 150 words and 20 minutes to write down any task. So be clear with it. Now moving further, I would read this graph. This is a line graph. The graph says, the graph below compares the number of visits to 2 new music sites on the web. What it means, this line graph is comparing, what it is comparing, number of visits. Number of visits means number of people, number of listeners who visit these 2 new music sites where on the internet. Visits means obviously people would have visited there where these 2 music sites, and the name of these 2 music sites are Music Choice and Pop Parade. Music Choice and Pop Parade. Fine. Now after reading the question, first step is to understand this graph. Understand this graph very clearly so that you may not write a wrong description of the graph whenever it is asked to you. So by understanding it, I have come to know that this thing is a visit. Visit means number of people, means thousands of people, and this is the days, means on which day and what number of people visited these music sites. Fine. So now as I have understood this graph, I would explain it. First I would start with the introduction. Introduction is of only 2 to 3 lines. I would write the same thing, same line which is written over here, but in different words. Clear? So the line graph compares. As it is a line graph, I have written line graph. Compares because it is compares visitors to 2 music websites which were recently launched online. Recently launched online means new music sites on the web. Same thing I have written but in different words. Fine. What I have added? Only line graph. After that I have written the same thing but in different words. Now what would I write? I would write overall. Overall means what have you understood from this graph without writing first. So you need to understand it very clearly and write the overall. Overall means generally what have you concluded. What have you concluded? But it's not a conclusion, it's an overall. So overall, what has happened over here, the number of visitors to these websites fluctuated? Yes or no? Obviously it is getting fluctuated. Both the music websites means increase, decrease, increase and decrease. It is a fluctuation. So the number of visitors to these websites fluctuated, but after day 11, look over here, after day 11 what happened now? Both the sites received this and this, both the sites have received the higher number of visitors. Both the sites received higher number of visitors. Striking feature means firstly they fluctuated and after a period of time both the sites received higher number of visitors. That's related to my question. So this is an overall. Fine. So in the overall, basically you need to write the highest and the lowest thing. Fine. Now here the highest visitors have been received by Pop Parade also and by the music website, music choice website also, but after day 11. Simple. Now BP1 means body paragraph 1. It's dependent upon you how you describe your BP1 and BP2, how you divide also. You can do like this. You can divide half of the days in BP1 and rest of the days in BP2. Fine. Half of the days in BP1 and rest in the BP2. For the starting, I would write like this. According to the given line graph, what has happened now? Pop Parade music website was visited by 120,000 people on the first day. Every time you need to write the first day. You have to write the starting. Never ever skip the starting point. So for the Pop Parade, I have written clearly that on first day the Pop Parade has been visited by 120,000 people. Now in order to make it more clear and not complex, what I have did here, I have did like this. Look here, very clearly I have written that on the first day Pop Parade and on the same day music choice. Yes, I have taken both the sites for the first day. Look, Pop Parade music website was visited by 120,000 people on the first day, whereas, because I am comparing, whereas music choice got 40,000 browsers on the same day. Who are the browsers? Obviously visitors who have visited these websites. So it is written in a clear and a simple manner. First day. Fine. First day comparison is being given as well as clarity is there. Look here, 40,000. Now I would move further. What I did now. During the first week, Pop Parade visitors count showed an overall downward trend. Now what I did, I skipped everything. But skipping doesn't mean that I have not understood. I have understood that till the first week, fluctuation means downward trend. Downward trend has been followed. Downward trend. Fine. What I did during the first week, Pop Parade's visitors count showed an overall downward trend. And on day 7, both the sites received roughly over 20,000 visitors. Have you got it? What it means? During the first week, Pop Parade has followed downward trend. And on the day 7 here, on the day 7, both have received roughly 20,000 visitors. Roughly 20,000 visitors. This is skipping the boring thing and skipping the same thing and writing the main thing. Fine. I have written the main point over here. After that, however, overall visitors in the first week to the Pop Parade was significantly greater than that of music choice. Look, on the day 7, both have received roughly 20,000 visitors. But overall, one main thing has also been noticed here, that overall visitors in the first week of Pop Parade have received greater number of visitors. The count is more. It means that I have understood more deeply and more clearly, and I have not skipped any of the main thing. I have not skipped any of the main thing. Fine. Now BP1 is done. I have divided it into BP2. Interestingly means something interesting is going to happen now. So interestingly, visitors to the Pop Parade site overwhelmingly increased. Overwhelmingly means higher, huge increase, vocabulary it is. Interestingly, visitors to the Pop Parade site overwhelmingly increased after day 9. After day 9 we can see, and it witnessed a great hike in the number of visitors. Means I have written now like great hike has been observed. Great hike means much of the increase has been noticed in the count of visitors now in the terms of Pop Parade music website. Fine. Okay. And I have mentioned that great hike was observed on day 11 with around 150,000 users. Can you notice one thing, that earlier I was saying visitors, then I told people, then I said browsers, then I said users. This is all about vocabulary synonyms, you may say. Overwhelmingly, hike, then earlier I told that significantly. These are all vocabulary words. Fine. Okay. Now after writing this point, what I did, on this day another site was browsed by only over 20,000 people. I'm doing like this thing, that on the same day I wrote about Pop Parade and Music Choice. Now on the same day I wrote about Pop Parade and Music Choice. Look the difference, striking difference. It was a great hike and it has only received this much visitors. Now this is the comparison. Whenever you write comparison, whenever you mention comparison, it adds on to your bands. Of course, because a graph asks you to compare the items with each other. Fine. On this day, another site was browsed by only over 20,000 people with a sharp dip on day